Hello, everyone. It's Amy Ferrote, and we got more snow. I was out. I had a $25 credit from Pizza Hut because my last order was pure shit, and so of course I got a Sammy and boneless chicken wings for these two, and I forget what else was salad, but look at this. It's like a fucking huge snowstorm again. When I left, it was nothing. And now it's all snow again. And a lot of it. Look at that little snow girl. And that little snow boy. I left the food in the car, so they're like, kind of like, I thought you said you were getting food. But it's crazy. I'm going to have to get the snow shovelers back. And so there you have it. Beautiful snow. You know, I love it. More snow, more snow, more snow. There you go. Look up in the sky. Oh, isn't it beautiful? Oh my God. So beautiful. Well, I better get these two in. Oh, Peaches found something. Barry says, what was that? Oh, come on, guys. Come on. All right. Oh, Peachy gotta go pee. She always goes right to the backyard. Go, Peaches. Oh, do you have to go potty? Do you? No? Okay. Where's little Barry? Oh, he's got to do something. What are you going to do, Barry? If you have to poop, just poop in the driveway. It's too hard to get on the grass. Come on. Come on. Well, there you have it. Another beautiful snow day. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Oh, and he is pooping right there. Good boy. Good boy. Oh my goodness. It's hard. Okay, well, I'm disturbing his peace. All right. Peachy, if you have to go poop, you should go. All right, everyone have a wonderful day. We're all connected. Love, love, love.